In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use my link classifier script to analyze your backlinks. It's a great tool for discovering which link building strategies are working for your competition right now. Or if your site has been hit by the latest Google Penguin updates, then you can use it to troubleshoot what went wrong and how you can fix it. Link classifier works by analyzing a list of backlinks to any site, and it will categorize them by type, like in-post links, sidebar footer links, and comment links. Not only that, but it will show you the anchor text distribution of your links as well. So to start, we need to find a page to analyze. One blog I read all the time is ProBlogger, and one of the most popular pages on the site is this one right here. This particular page on ProBlogger ranks #1 on Google for the keyword "make money blogging," which gets over 9,000 visitors a day. So using link classifier, I can see what the link profile for this page looks like and hopefully find out why it ranks so well. So first I'm going to copy the URL of this page and go to my link classifier URL, which I've installed on my own web hosting account. In the target URL field, I'm going to paste that same URL right there. Now I need to put in a list of backlinks that are pointing to this target URL. To do this, I've already used a service called Ahrefs. However, you can use other alternatives like Majestic SEO, OpenSiteExplorer, or the Webmaster tools from Google or Bing. So here's a list of backlink URLs that are pointing to this ProBlogger page I'm targeting. I'm going to copy the URLs here and then paste them into this URL list text area right there. Now I can click the Classify Links button and the link classifier will start doing its thing. In my own testing, it takes about 3 to 5 seconds or so to process each URL. So for this list of 195 links, it's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. I want to pause the video here and come back when it's done. Alright, the link classifier is just completed and we can now look at the results. So if we scroll down a bit, we can see the first thing is a breakdown of the links by type. If you go to this pie chart here, you can see that 68.4% of the overall number of links are in-post links. You can also hover over each of the different slices like this to see the percentages for each type. Scroll down a little more, you can see the individual backlinks grouped by type. You can expand each of these categories by clicking on the header like this, and it'll show you each of the links that belong to a particular category. In-post links are links that are found in posts and pages of the target URL. A legitimate backlink profile usually has the majority of its links being in-post links, the one exception being if a site has been getting a lot of blog network links. But by clicking through on a handful of links here, you can see fairly easily if a link profile is legitimate or not. Here's a link from the artofblog.com. I know it's a good site, so let's click through and take a look at it. If we scroll down a bit on this page, we can see our ProBlogger link right here. If we go back to our link classifier, let's close the in-post links and take a look at the sidebar links. There's only 5 of them. Here's a site called profitmiracle.com. Let's take a look at it. We scroll down a bit. Here's our link right here, using the anchor text "make money blogging," which links to the ProBlogger page that we're looking at. So if a page's backlink profile has a ton of sidebar and footer links, this can often be a sign that a website is purchasing paid links. But obviously ProBlogger's not doing that because they have no need to do so. Let me briefly describe what the other categories shown here mean. No links are URLs that don't actually have a link back to our target site. This can happen if the link has been removed since the URL was last crawled. Unknown links are links that the link classifier is not currently able to classify. If you see a bunch of these, send them to me so I can improve the next version of link classifier to recognize these links. And finally, we have the dead links. These are the URLs which the script was not able to reach for whatever reason. Perhaps the site no longer exists anymore, or it timed out when the link classifier tried to scrape the site. If you scroll down a little bit more, you can see the anchor text breakdown of the links. This page has 74 different unique anchor text variations. If you look at this pie chart over here, you can see that the term "make money blogging" occurs 23.9% of the time. And the second most common anchor text is ProBlogger, which occurs 12% of the time. Nowadays, I like to have my keywords in the 10 to 15% range. Any more than that, and there's a good chance that Google will hit that keyword with an over-optimization penalty. Of course, ProBlogger is a well-known authority site, so I'm sure it has a little more leeway compared to our own sites, so 23% is still okay for them. To make it easier to look at the anchor text, you can look at this table down here. It's completely sortable, and you can scroll through the different anchor texts that are being used by just clicking through the pagination buttons at the bottom here. A couple last things I wanted to mention about this script. On the right hand side, you can access all the previous runs you have ever performed using the link classifier. Just click on the link and you can see the data for that particular run. You can also click this button right here to save the results to a text file. This is useful if you ever need to copy and paste any of this data somewhere else. So that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you find this link classifier script useful. If you ever find any bugs or have any feedback, just send me an email. Thanks for watching.